Ever wondered what it takes to prepare for the world's largest spiritual gathering? Not just managing crowds, but restoring centuries of old heritage to welcome divinity and humanity alike. The countdown to Simhastha Kumbh Mela 2026 has begun, and the spotlight is now on one of the most sacred Jyotirlinga shrine in India, the Trimbakeshwar Temple in Nashik, Maharashtra. Post-monsoon, the Archaeological Survey of India will begin conservation work to prepare this ancient marvel for the upcoming influx of millions. Let's explore why this matters, what challenges lie ahead, and how this sacred celebration is rooted in Indian history and faith. What is Kumbh Mela? The Kumbh Mela is a grand Hindu pilgrimage observed every 12 years at four river bank sites: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik and Ujjain. It follows astrological elements of Jupiter, Sun and Moon and rotates between these cities over 12-year cycle. Devotees believe that a ritual dip in the sacred river during Kumbh cleanses sins and paves the way to salvation. Apart from religious rituals, it hosts monk gatherings, spiritual discourses, community trade fairs and cultural festivals. In 2019, over 200 million people attended the Prayagraj Kumbh with 50 million on single day, making it is the largest peaceful gathering on earth. Why Trimbakeshwar matters? The Trimbakeshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the holiest shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. Located in Nashik, it becomes a more epic center during the Simhastha Kumbh, which takes place every 12 years. The upcoming Kumbh will begin on 31st October 2026. Mark the ceremonial flag hosting at Trimbakeshwar and Ramgud. AISI's restoration plan include cleaning, structural strengthening and aesthetic conservation to protect the ancient temple architecture. The work is scheduled to begin post-monsoon 2025, ensuring that temple is ready before the spiritual wave hits in 2026. Key challenges ahead to this include: first, the massive footfall. Expected crowding crowds could strain the temple infrastructure if not managed proactively. Secondly, need of time-bound restoration. AISIS has a light window to complete work before 2026 Kumbh begin. Thirdly, balancing modern needs and ancient architecture. Any intervention must respect heritage norms while accommodating pilgrims. Fourthly, environmental sensitivity. Conservation work must align with ecological sustainability around the Godavari river. Finally, logistics and security. Coordinating with local administration for crowd control, sanitation and safety is critical. In way forward, what's being done and what can help? Integrated planning, coordination between ASI, Nashik Municipal Corporation, Maharashtra government and religious bodies is essential. Use of traditional materials and techniques in restoration to preserve the temple's authenticity. Digital tools like 3D mapping and ground penetrating radar may be deployed to assess structural needs non-invasively. Public awareness campaigns can help sensitize pilgrims about heritage conservation and sustainable practices. Long-term maintenance plan post Kumbh Mela to ensure that restoration efforts are not short-lived. Why it matters? The Kumbh Mela is not just a festival, it is a living expression of India's spiritual soul and cultural unity. And as the Trimbakeshwar gets ready to welcome the divine tide, and the AISI's efforts are just not about stones and structures, they are about preserving faith, legacy and history of generations to come. As millions prepare to bathe in the holy waters, India is quietly preparing its sacred heart to shine once more. Let's stay tuned to this majestic revival story.